in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix FIFA Panini app not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app FIFA Panini. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, launch settings. Go to General. Go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, from the list of apps, find FIFA Panini and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. Next thing you want to do is head back, click on Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Lastly, if these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete FIFA Panini app from your device and reinstall it. If the app still is not working, the issue may be due to temporary server maintenance or an outage, so waiting a while and trying again later may resolve the problem. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.